Welcome to our channel. Using LastPass Password Manager helps you create, store, and automatically fill strong, unique passwords across all your online accounts without having to remember each one. Step 1. Visit LastPass.com and click Get LastPass Free to sign up for a free account. Step 2. Enter your email address and create a strong master password that you'll use to unlock your LastPass vault. This is the only password you'll need to remember. Step 3. Confirm your master password and write it down somewhere secure, as LastPass cannot recover this password if you forget it. Step 4. Install the LastPass browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge by clicking Add to Browser when prompted. Step 5. The LastPass icon will appear in your browser toolbar. Click it and sign in with your email and master password. Step 6. Click the LastPass icon and select Add Item to manually save existing passwords from websites you already use. Step 7. When creating new accounts, LastPass will automatically prompt to generate a strong random password. Click Generate Password to use this feature. Step 8. Customize generated passwords by adjusting length and character types if a website has specific password requirements. Step 9. When you visit a saved website, LastPass will automatically detect the login form and offer to fill in your credentials. Step 10. Click the LastPass icon in the login field to select which account credentials to use if you have multiple accounts for one site. Step 11. Enable autofill in LastPass settings so your credentials are entered automatically without clicking. Step 12. Use the LastPass vault to view, edit, or delete saved passwords by clicking the LastPass icon and selecting Open My Vault. Step 13. Run the security challenge in your vault to identify weak, reused, or compromised passwords that need updating. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.